Hi guys, this is Judy from Witch Piece Craft. Well, I'm out in my yard crocheting my 100-day project. I've been out here for a while and I thought I'd do a quick video on my awesome day. I've had a great day. I opened up the curtains this morning and the sun was shining. We've had rain here all week and we're probably going for the biggest wet season on record. And I'm a little tired of the rain. I know there are guys in Australia who are suffering severe drought at the moment. My heart goes out to them. I wish I could send them some rain. I then looked at my phone to see that I'd been given one new subscriber. And that was awesome. I thought, I'll check my channel, see how it's going, see who it is. And when I opened it up, I had more than one new subscriber. I had quite a few. And that was the result of, because Debbie from Canadian Crocheter gave my channel a call out, along with some other small channels. So Debbie, to you, thank you. Words escape me. I don't know how to show my appreciation. That was awesome of you. Recently I checked the subscription to my channel and it has more than doubled. So a very heartfelt thank you. That's great. I started my channel because I couldn't get any knitting groups or crocheting groups to establish here where I live. Other than the Crochet for Cancer that meets once a month, there's not much going on. And I wanted a yarny group that I could join. And that's what I feel the YouTube yarny channels have. We're one big group that look after each other. And that's what you did, Deb. You looked after us small channels. And that is really nice. It's kind. Shows you have a kind heart. So thanks once again. I did go shopping today. I went looking for patterns for the sprawl cowl. I haven't made a shawl since my sister was pregnant with my niece, and my niece will turn 36 this year. So I'm a little nervous about making a shawl, but I'm determined to give it a go. But I couldn't find anything, so tonight I'm going to hit up Ravelry and see if I can find a pattern I like or I think I can do. So look out for me in the sprawl cowl. Deb, I'll be there. My day, I went to work. I had a great day at work. I had a visit from an old gentleman who sat in my office while his wife had day surgery for about an hour and a half. Made him coffee, we chatted and laughed about funny things and what happens, and that was really great. That doesn't happen often, so that was nice. I went shopping after work, which I've said, and that's always good. Shopping's always good. And I actually went back to Lincraft because the ladies there on the weekend were a lot friendlier, and the lady there today was lovely. So there you go. Things can change. I should always give something a second chance. My 100-day project. I was watching, I think it's Connie and Elisa. It's a small channel, and I'm going to put a link to their channel in the description below. And she mentioned she had won a yarn bingo on Llama Mama Kayla's channel. And I'd heard this name before, but I'd never checked it out. So I went over to Llama Mama Kayla's channel. And there it was, all the info on a 100-day project. I'd heard others saying the Vita and this, that, and I was getting lost in all the terminology. But Kayla explained it all, and I joined the 100-day project. My hashtag is 100 days F&Q crocheting for cancer. And I am on my first blanket. The pattern, I'll put a number and a link below. It's a bag a day baby pattern called Rocky Road. It's ideal for this yarn. I found 6 balls of this yarn new in a bag at a charity shop, $1 a ball. So, and this blanket will probably take about 4, and I'll make a matching beanie. So for $6 for charity, I'll make a blanket and a beanie, and that's a bargain. I'm out here because part of Llama Mama Kayla's channel is the yarn bingo. So that was the next thing I looked at and thought, I'll have a look at this. Well, when I printed it off, I think it's great. There are projects on there that I've never even attempted. I've never made a pair of socks. and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And one of those is I must take a photo and crochet outside or project outside, and that's what I'm doing outside. So nothing could spoil my day today. I had to frog 10 rows of this blanket because I didn't see the mistake. My friend saw the mistake and she doesn't even crochet. So today I frogged 10 rows, and not even that, and I hate frogging, not even that could ruin my day. I've had an awesome day and I'm looking forward to an awesome evening with my family. I'm really surprised we haven't heard the kookaburras because they were going nuts earlier, and it would be nice if you could hear them because they're just sitting around laughing at me. I have two that sit on a tree every afternoon. They like to come down to my garden and raid the worms. They probably left because I'm out here and they can't get to the worms in my garden. Anyway, thanks once again, Debbie. It was awesome of you. I'm sure the other smaller channels appreciate it. It's really nice when a large channel does call outs for us small guys and gets us some subscription. I feel like I've got a really nice growing yarny crafty group, and I hope the people that subscribe get something out of my channel. Once again, I'll see you guys next time. Be kind to each other and have a crafty day.